Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and preventing contamination. Put on TIG-rated helmet and clean gloves, and purge the joint with 1520 CFH of pure argon. Titanium oxidizes instantly. Once done, remove oils with acetone and brush only with a dedicated stainless tool. Make sure your tungsten is sharp and set machine to DC electrode negative. Choose 80-120 amps for common sheet thicknesses. Connect foot pedal or fingertip control so you can modulate heat immediately when you strike the arc. You next create a controlled weld pool. Start with short tack welds spaced to avoid warping. Keep a 1/16 to 1/8 inch gap to allow capillary fill. Once tacked, reheat and form a small molten pool using a low, steady travel speed and a 15 to 20 degree torch angle so shielding stays intact. Feed 2 to 3 millimeter filler wire into the leading edge of the pool. Modulate with the pedal to prevent excessive heat and maintain a narrow, shiny bead. You finish by maintaining shielding until the weld cools below the oxidation threshold, using backpurge gas to protect the root. Once cool, inspect the bead for a bright metallic color and consistent ripple. If needed, blend lightly with a dedicated grinder. Make sure no contamination touches the joint post-weld. If problems arise, like porosity or gray discoloration, stop, reclean the surfaces and tungsten, increase purge volume, and reduce travel speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.